Boom. Here we got the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Olives Special Edition. Nah, it's not a special edition, but these are the Travis Scott olive joints. They're for the ladies, you know. So guys, if you try and squeeze your big your nuggets, your big eight feet in them, it may not work unless your feet are small. But here they go right here. Now, when we open the box, what do we see? Green inside. Got the little Nike joint. So that's nice little touch. Green inside. I got these from StockX. I'm never one of those people to win any darn thing, you know. So I got them from StockX. I paid $1 million for them, whatever. And they ripped the box. If you know me, I'm a box fanatic. This is a big no. The lid of the box is ripped. This, I wanted to cry. Now, if you look at the packaging is nice. Comes with got the pink inside, got the Cactus Jack, got the Nike Air, got the Air Jordan little stuff inside. So this is the packaging is superb. If you look at Yeezy packaging or Rick Owens packaging, is very basic. But if you're into the packaging, this is very nice packaging. I actually did an unboxing of it, but I was somewhere like crazy. I'll throw it at the end of the video. Like, it's like a couple minutes of the unboxing. But we had already taken these out. These are on foot. The sneaker, it's a real nice sneaker, you know. The sneaker comes with olive laces, olive green. You know, olive because I'm a fancy guy, I'll say olive. But it comes with olive laces, it comes with red laces, it comes with white laces, it comes with black laces, comes with that's all the laces. I was like, if that ain't enough laces. Inside, you know, got the super cool pink paper. Let's make this a little tiny, so you know, because people like, can I see the box? People like looking at the boxes and stuff. I like a nice box, but it don't really. Some people are really box fanatics, and if you're a box fanatic, this is a very, very nice box. All the laces and stuff come, and it doesn't come with just the regular paper and stuff to keep it. It comes with this, you know. Does this say anything special? Nah, it does have an Air Jordan. If you could see, it has an Air Jordan man on it, jumping up in the air like he don't care. This is the right foot. Right foot got the little smiley face, the dope smiley face on it. And if you look close, if you look real close, you probably can't see it on the camera. But right there, it says cactus, like going up and down. You probably can't see it on the camera, but it does say cactus going up and down, which is cool. Little goose egg for it. I think it says it somewhere else on it. I'm not sure. I've got a lot of junk, so, you know, not that that's not important to me, but, you know, it is what it is. Inside, it has a Jumpman. It has the Cactus Jack. And at the end, when I first got them and unboxed them and stuff, so you could see all that stuff. They got a 23 inside, Air Jordan or whatever. Like I said, these are for the ladies. This is for my lady. I do have some, so I know how they feel. It's like the same thing. They're a nice shoe. Do you know what the crazy thing about this? Even though this is it's a Nike Air, it's a flatter shoe. And I talked about it with the Rick Owens. In Nikes, I get tired wearing Nikes. Not tired wearing Nikes, like I'm tired of wearing Nikes, but when you walk around a lot and them stuff, it's not uncomfortable, but it's an exhausting walk. It's like, I don't know. Is it because, and that's all Nikes, all Air Force Ones. And if you want to be cool, where's my face? Can I get my little face in there? If you want to be cool, don't buy any. If you're buying some Off-Whites or some Travises and stuff, you could buy those, you know, but don't buy any more Air Force Ones. Not that they out of style or whatever, but there's so many of them floating around, they just don't have the same oomph to them. You know, make sure you get you some fly 3s, get you some fly 4s or something. But as far as like the Air Force One, I'm not saying that they're out of style. You know, get you some cements, it's not that they're out of style. It's just that there's so many floating around and you know it's just a lot. It's a lot floating around. It's not you. There used to be a time you came in with some Air Jordan 1s, and they were fresh or something. You would really stand out. That's not happening anymore because there's a lot of stuff. They got the 3s, the 4s. They got other Jordans. They got off-white Jordans. They got Salehe Crocs. People wearing like Salehe Crocs. They got dang, I got some Salehe Crocs too. Maybe I'll review one day. But they got some they got Crocs. They got Balenci's. They got bricks. They got there's so much stuff out here that these Air Force Ones, they hitting, they still don't get it twisted. You got these on, you got some Travis's on and stuff. It's a very nice look, but for the money, it's not hitting like it used to, right? So that's that. In the back of this one, this is the right foot. The right foot has the Air Jordan sign. Like I said, inside it says Cactus Jack. It got the 23, the Nike Air. Now let's talk about the shoe itself. The shoe itself, if you never held these, the shoe itself, the rubber at the bottom is not exactly white. It's like a off-white, like a age white, like a vintage white. That's how the rubber is on the bottom. If you could see that, if the cameras don't white balance it, it's not exactly white. The leather here is white. This is a black suede. The swoosh is like a green, olive suede. The textures feel nice. They definitely feel nice. How the combination is a very nice combination. It's very nice on the eyes because even though it's a lighter shoe, you could wear it in the summer and you can also wear it in the fall because it has the olive on it. And it also has the red, which makes it pop. So as far as a color combination, would I say this is my favorite color combination? You know what? All the Travis Air Force Ones have good combinations. This is nice. The blue ones are nice. They all have nice color combination. I think they're coming out with a yellow one or something. The yellow one looks hard too. Like they really do a good job with the color combination. They got these little details like right here in the tongue. It says Cactus Jack on the tongue. Got the Nike Air. Does it say anything special on the tongue? Nike and the swoosh, nah, just a old regular schmegular on the tongue. But it's definitely a dope shoe. That's the bottom. There's nothing special on the bottom either. Just your run-of-the-mill Nike bottom. It's definitely a dope shoe. The shoelaces are they feel like they have wax on them, which is nice. You know, the shoelace has like a wax on them. It's nice. It's a little crazy when you're lacing them up. But once you get it laced up, you appreciate it because when the light hits it, it hits it with a little oomph. You know, how would I rate these? How would I rate these? If you look at it like this, it looks like some type of panda or something. How would I rate these? You know, as far as comfort, not the greatest. So we can't 100% give it an A, the highest, because the comfort's not there on them. We could give it like an A-. As far as uniqueness, there's a lot of reps of this, but that's not your concern. They just don't hit as much as they used to because the market's been flooded with them, which is cool. You know, I guess like you'll want to be fashionista like myself. You know, you kind of don't want to walk in somewhere and not only one, but two people have the same thing that you have on. So if you're talking about being exclusive, like, nah, this ain't Bottega levels of exclusive or nothing like that. So as far as the shoe, the money and stuff, if you don't have some, you definitely want to add them to the collection. They're dope. Are they knockouts? Can you go to like that party and stuff with them? Nah, I'm not going to a party or anything in them because there's a chance somebody else may have them. But what I will say, if you're running around like to a supermarket, if you're doing stuff like that, it's definitely a dope shoe. It's definitely a dope shoe to have. It's definitely a dope shoe like to pop up anywhere that's not special. You know, when you popping up in your special places, you want to throw like your Balenci's on or some. You know what? I would throw on some. What would I throw? Some, like I said, you throw your Balenci's, you throw your Ricks on if you popping up somewhere special, because chances are, if one person does have the same, it's not going to be two. You pop up with two. with Travis Scott, it may be 2, especially if you popping up around your friends and your friends also dress. It could be 2, maybe even 3 people with these on. But that's not a big deal. That's not your concern. But I'm just saying, is it a good shoe? Yes, it's dope. It's a dope everyday shoe. I definitely would get this. If you could wear these every day versus like wearing a Panda or something every day, I definitely would get it. The colors are beautiful. The materials are beautiful. The quality is top notch. I have nothing bad to say about it. Here's the other one with the red shoelace in case you want that. Since I'm, the red shoelace is nice too. If you want something that's top notch, something quality that you could wear every day and make a statement, I definitely would get these. These are for the ladies. So guys, fellas, if you out there, treat your ladies to a pair. You feel me? Treat them to a pair of these. It's definitely worth it. It's definitely something nice. My rating on these, I rate them an A minus. A minus. I love them. So here, get you some Travises. That's a close up look on them. Get you some Travises, and we out of here, man. Get you some Travises, man. Stop wearing diamonds and gold. Man, get you some Travises, man. You walk, look at this, how you look walking like that. Let me walk them out of here. All right. You guys take care later.